Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really fun holiday craft that's so simple, it's really basic. The technique I'm going to show you, it's everywhere. I mean, people do this all the time, but if you've never seen it before, you need to see it because it's so simple and really beautiful. And I have a little hack to upgrade it. What I'm doing is I'm making sort of a little miniature village using these, what would you call them, hurricane bases. And I'm using salt and little bottle brush trees and little village pieces. You'll see what I'm talking about. But what I like to do to start is I use these little battery operated tea light candles. We all have them. And I'm gonna drop one in the bottom of each of my vases. Use whatever vases or containers you like. You just want something clear. You could use candle holders, whatever. And I kind of like that they're different shapes. And then I'm gonna pour just basic table salt right over. And what I want to do here is cover my tea lights, and I'm making snow basically. This is going to make it look sort of like I've got a snowy wooded forest scene. You need quite a bit of salt, and that's actually why I'm using salt over sugar. Sugar would work, but salt is cheaper by volume, so that's what I picked up. What's going to happen here with these tea lights is in the evening the light is going to show through the salt, and it's gonna look like it's lit up by moonlight. You're not gonna be able to tell that right now because it's bright out. But at the end of this video, I will insert a clip showing you what it looks like in the evening. I was actually with family members at the grocery store when I picked up this salt, and they were very confused when they saw how much salt I was putting in my cart. I'm actually gonna need less than I thought. I'm gonna probably use 1.5 of these, but that's all right. I've got holiday cooking coming up. You need plenty of salt for that, don't you? And now I'm gonna decorate these mostly using bottle brush trees. But if you had a really nice collection of miniature houses and such, you could put those in here as well. I don't really collect that, so I don't have it. But that's a beautiful way to display those pieces. So now I'm gonna put in my trees. I just took out what I have. I'm probably not gonna use all of this. These are really trendy right now. Ooh. You can find them everywhere. The Target dollar spot, the Dollar Tree. I've got this little silver one. Just play with it to get a look that you like. And then I'm gonna put in these little village pieces. I don't know what to call them, but you know what I'm talking about. They have them everywhere this time of year. I got these at Walmart, I think, for like $1. This is a moose, and he's missing an antler because my daughter was playing with him, but that's okay. We're not striving for perfection here. Oh, that's very sweet. I'll put the moose. Let's put the moose here. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a close-up of all of this. All right. I think that's good. So you see here I've got 3 pieces, and I'll style them together. I'm going to show you how I put it all together at the end of this. But this is basically a modern take on the miniature Christmas village, really festive. Let me know in the comments below how you like to do your little miniature villages. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this. I do super simple DIY videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I still have a ton of holiday stuff coming up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.